Today, hospital workers in both the River Valley and Northwest Arkansas began getting the Pfizer vaccine. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker spoke to several of the first healthcare workers in our area to get it.
All hospitals in the River Valley and Northwest Arkansas have received their first shipments of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Today, many hospitals began giving those vaccines. Dr. Jason McKinney is the medical director of the intensive care unit at Mercy and Rogers. He was the first at his hospital to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. He says he feels a bit of relief because he's felt like he's been running a marathon for months now, not knowing when this pandemic is going to end.
With this vaccine, we feel that, as this gets out there, that as people immunize themselves, that there's going to be less spread in the community, there's going to be less infected people, and hopefully this, becomes something that's actually manageable in the near future.
Here at Mercy in Fort Smith, they received their first shipment of 975 doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine just after 9:30 this morning. A frontline doctor was the first one here at the hospital to receive the vaccine at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Dr. Candy Lindsay is the hospital's emergency room and trauma director for the critical access hospitals. She says she trusts in the vaccine.
We all need to be on board, or else we're all going to be stuck in this horrible cycle of more and more people getting it and being in our hospitals. And it is so frustrating as a physician to be able to take care of everybody. The idea of care rationing is horrible. This is how we stop those things from happening.
Dr. Michael Thames is a director of pharmacy at Mercy in Fort Smith. He says after Dr. Lindsay, they continued vaccinating healthcare workers all day and will continue on Wednesday. He says the vaccine for the critical access hospitals in Boonville, Ozark, Paris, and Waldron will come through pharmacies that have contracted through the state.
They are scheduled to be delivered on Thursday, and all of those nurses were part of the vaccinator training today. So Thursday afternoon, those rural hospitals, their frontline co-workers will begin to get doses.
In Fort Smith, covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
Both Baptist Health in Fort Smith and Northwest Health in Springdale also began vaccinating frontline workers today. Washington Regional in Fayetteville says it'll start giving the COVID-19 vaccine within the next 24 hours.